Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car, very rare, all steel, including the boards and fenders. 1937 Slantback. Gorgeous body, beautiful fit and finish. I got a magnet on me, so I'll show you that it is all steel. Billet Specialties wheels, they're staggered. Four-wheel power disc brakes all the way around. Rack-N-Pinion steering. It's got a mild 350 in it. Runs nice and cool. Plenty of power. Third brake light up there. LED tail lights. Tires are like brand new. Car's ready to rock. Air conditioning, power Rack-N-Pinion steering, electronic ignition. Just over the top build. Got coilovers in the rear. Looks like a 9-inch rear back there as well. Kind of tight in here, you can see. That header is leading to dual exhaust. Wires are wrapped up. Chrome alternator. Chrome. Nice big aluminum radiator. Chrome hinges. As you can see, the doors too were cut here in the corner so it clears the front fenders. Another nice touch on this car. It also has electronic poppers. There's a button under here you can actually hit with your foot. Pops it right open. Tilt wheel. Got a smaller banjo style steering wheel finished in billet aluminum. Seat belts all the way around. The seats are power as well. Power windows. Got 4,188 miles on the build. Full gauge pack. These are auto meter gauges, finished in the classic style. Vintage air conditioning. Lots of room in the back. Got a nice sound to it, it's not overly done. Electronic license plate, so when you turn it off, that pops right up. Just pop this with my foot. Open up the door. Beautiful interior, complements the outside. It's like a creamy white. Very nice car. 6x9s up there. Love how the headliner matches the leather theme of the interior. Got LED lights in here as well. There's your wiper arms down there. Those are finished in billet as well. Pretty car. You make a lot of these cars out of glass, you can see around, but you don't see them in steel. This is an original Henry Ford steel car. And a trusty magnet here. Even these side panels are steel. The hood is steel. Fenders are steel. You can see there's a 3M film on here as well to protect the nose. Fenders are steel. Trunk lid steel. Boards are steel. There's the fans kicking on. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.